guys, it's your girl Ajana and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe down below, and if you're returning, hey. So as you guys can see, I'm doing a review on this super cute 24-inch wig that I got from Amazon. You heard me, Amazon. If you've been on my channel, you already know I love Amazon wigs. I live for them, and I'm here to review them for you so you don't have to buy it and regret it later like I possibly do.
Alright guys, today's hair is from Hermosa Hair, of course, from Amazon. This is described as a 150% density 9A Brazilian straight wig. It came with a wig cap, some eyelashes, and I got the length 24 inch. So right when I pulled it out of the package, I noticed that the wig was really long. I think that this is very true to size, at least from first glance. And the lace doesn't look too bad. So next I'm going to show you guys what the hairline looks like. So this did come pre-plucked, so this is what it's looking like, and then I'm going to show you guys the inside so you can see all the parting space. But now let's get to this install. Today my hair is being installed by my favorite stylist. Her name on Instagram is @BoldImagesBeauty. You guys have to check her out. If you follow me on Instagram, you already probably know exactly who I'm talking about. So here I'm just showing you guys her prepping my hair and then actually putting on the wig. I'm going to get into the details a little bit later about what happened while I was there with the wig and bleaching, all of that later on in the video. But you guys, watch this slay.
She did it again, y'all. She's unstoppable. So the wig that I have is advertised as the following. It is a pre-plucked human hair wig with 50% density, or excuse me, 150% density. It's 9A Brazilian straight human hair, and it is a lace front with a natural hairline in the color black. I got the 24 inch, so I'm gonna back up and let you guys see how the 24 inch length looks on me. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like on me. Keep in mind that I do have my hair curled, so if it were straightened, it will probably be a little bit longer. I hope you guys can see with my black shirt, but it's pretty long. I'll turn around to the back so you guys can see it from the back as well. I'm in frame. So that is what she looks like from the back. Overall, my first impression was that the lace was a little bit rough. I felt like the lace was rougher than the lace that I get on other types of wigs that I've ordered from Amazon. I don't know exactly everything about lace, but I do know that softer lace is better, it blends better, and it just tends to lay down a lot better than stiff lace. I thought this lace was just a little bit stiff, not something that you couldn't fix up, but it's definitely something that you have to fix up, if that makes any sense. When we were bleaching it, I will say this. When bleaching, we did have to do it more than once, but I also, as you guys can tell, did dye this hair. And of course I have a coloring video coming out for you guys right after this one, so subscribe if you want to know how I got this gorgeous burgundy color. I did do this first before bleach, so I feel like that had a little bit to do with my knots not lifting. So we did have to bleach the knots 2 times, once using some other bleach and another one using a heavier duty bleach. So that was the first time that that's ever happened with any of my wigs. So straight off the bat, that was like a I don't know about this one, guys. So I was a little bit nervous. However, it ended up coming through. It's not too bad. Now, as far as the parting space, it's not a 13x6. It only has 4 inches of parting space going back in the crown area, and on the sides, I think it's like 2 inches, so it's not too far back. So this is not a wig where you can just part it anywhere. You can specifically only part it from about here to here, which I don't mind. I don't plan on wearing this wig for an extended amount of time, so no big deal for me. But if you're looking for something that you want to part in different places, this probably isn't the wig for you. As far as shedding goes, I haven't seen a whole lot of shedding actually at all. Even though I already colored it and it's been washed and bleached, I have not seen too much fallout. Even running my fingers through it right now, I'm not getting I'm not getting any hairs, anything. So as far as shedding goes, haven't seen it to be a problem thus far. As far as the actual quality of the hair, I think it's actually really good quality. It's super soft, really bouncy, and I definitely think that this company knows what they're doing when it comes to the length. I know we already covered the length, but I just want to say one more time, this is true to length, guys. Like, this wig is so long. I thought it was even longer than what I originally ordered, which was 24 inches. But yes, so it's really soft, bouncy, no shedding, no problems. I think that this wig could last you up to 2 months if you were really trying to just keep it on and you managed it the right way. I would say that this wig does a good job for the time being, not for a super long amount of time. It also comes with lace in the back. I don't use the lace in the back, but some people do. It comes with probably 4 to 6 inches of lace in the back, which I think is pretty nice, especially if you want to put it up in a ponytail. I don't have plans to do that, but all in all, I think the wig is really nice. There are a lot of hairs in the wig, so my stylist found herself plucking for a little bit longer than she's used to, which was totally fine, but for my wigs, they usually don't take that long. So because she plucked for so long, I do know that this wig is 150% density. I don't think it's really thin, and I feel like the thickness fills out all the way to the ends, so your ends are not just super thin while your hair is really, really thick. So I love that about this wig. Keep in mind, if you want to know how I got this really, really pretty color, don't forget, subscribe. I have a video coming for you guys. That is all for this hair review. I hope you guys enjoy. The link to the hair, of course, is down below, and I need you guys to let me know what you want to see on my channel, because I'm really excited to start this summer off with a bunch of content. So you guys let me know, what do you want to see? And of course, make sure you follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, all of that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.